Ladies and gentlemen, brothers and sisters in Christ, please welcome the Archbishop-Designate of the Archdiocese of Cebu, Most Reverend Alberto Uy.
Secure, perimeter, secure. Media ba? Patras ba? Media ba? Sir! Backward, dali! Iatras! Gamay na. Backward!
Alberto Uy will be draped with a lei by Mr. Alvin Amelia Pahani. Unya, halaran sa siya o mga sinugatan gikan sa suko. Aduna tay ihatag kaniya nga mga mango, whether ripe or green or dried mangoes, of which Cebu is known for, and these mangoes are given by Mrs. Myra Petuaban Abelianosa. Mga sweet mangoes, we are known for sweet mangoes and dried mangoes as well. Also, Cebu is known for gikan sa tamis at sa parang. Cebu is also known for its dried fish or buwan. And hindi mga buwan gihatag ni Miss Myla Dionzon Mantanaba. Of course, piling mawa ang chicharon. Pork, rind, deep fried. Cebu is also famous for that. And the chicharon is given by Mrs. Maria Victoria Morano. Aduna say gihatag nga buwak. These are moa orchids which are abundant in the Philippines, particularly in Cebu. And these flowers are given by Mrs. Aster Roma Davis. Okay, si Archbishop-Designate ganahan kaayo music. He is also given a guitar from no other than a guitar engineer Billy and Mrs. Lumen Selma Canelo. Ikan pagyun sa Mactan. Ito sa Umo. Archbishop-Designate Archbishop Abet, I hope you are happy with among sinugatan gikan sa Cebu. Officials who are here to also meet the arrival of our Archbishop-Designate. We have with us this afternoon, of course, the Apostolic Administrator now of the Archdiocese of Cebu, Archbishop Jose S. Palma. Together with Archbishop Palma is the Vicar General of the Archdiocese of Cebu, Reverend Monsignor Rogelio Roger Fuentes. Also with him is the President of the Commission on the Laity, Dave Marino. And with them also is the Counselor of the Apostolic Nunciature of the Kingdom of the Netherlands, Monsignor John Lin Chua. We have also with us this afternoon representatives from the Association of Consecrated Women of Cebu.